We're at the Signiant stall and we're talking to Rick Capstraw, Chief Growth Officer.
Hello.
Hi, Rick. Tell me, what are the products that you're showcasing at NAB 2026?
This year at NAB, we're showcasing a couple of new products. First is called Verified, which is a way for people requesting and submitting content to validate and make sure that all of the content being submitted is exactly in the specification, format, and completeness needed for the order that's been produced. So that will save a lot of time in interaction between suppliers and producers of content. Second, our primary product, Media Shuttle. We're showcasing a new transport algorithm that's in Media Shuttle and will increase the speed of content exchange by 10 to 20%. And then finally, a new concept called Connected Intelligence, which is the capability of everyone with existing Signiant footprint to index all of the content in their storage repositories, whether it's on-prem or in the cloud, and be able to use that information for access for humans, for applications, or for AI without having to move any of that content.
What is the unique selling proposition of this product?
The unique proposition is that you can view, access, and action against any of your content, regardless of its storage location, without having to move it anywhere. So the idea that you'd have to move content to an application is no longer necessary. You can bring that application to the content without moving it anywhere, and that's hugely...
So to that extent, is it different from what the competition offers?
Absolutely. We can move content like we always have for years, but the ability to bring those applications to the content in an infrastructure that's already in place across the industry is completely unique.
Are you also going in for miniaturization, meaning big clunky equipment is being reduced to a more manageable size?
Well, we're a software company, so for sure, if you can bring applications to the content, then you don't need to build up big data centers of application everywhere that your content resides.
What is the kind of audience you're looking for at NAB? The same old people or a new sector of the audience?
Well, we always have been working with production, distribution, post-production, and content operations executives, but I think this capability that we're bringing today also puts us a lot more into corporate video and marketing operations as well. So those are the expansions for us.